What if you could write code that's as fast as C, as safe as Python, and built for the future? Well, that's what Rust promises. And in this series, we're going to explore Rust, chapter by chapter, in just 5-minute videos. Why Rust? Rust is a systems programming language, meaning it lets you talk directly to the machine, just like C or C++. But unlike them, Rust has your back. It prevents whole classes of bugs, null pointer, dereferencing, data races, and memory leaks without needing a garbage collector. It's like a seatbelt and rocket booster in one. Big companies like Amazon, Google, and Dropbox use Rust in production. Want to write fast web servers? Done. Build embedded firmware? Easy. Or just create CLI tools that don't crash randomly? Rust's got you. Let's start with the classic. In Rust, your first program is just a few lines. Function main is the entry point. Print line is a macro to print text. The exclamation mark? That tells us it's a macro, not a regular function. And that's it. In just a few lines, we've written our first Rust program. Next week, we'll actually build a game. Yep, a full guessing game in under 5 minutes. Subscribe, and let's keep going.